Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright boys, as you can see, we're starting off the vlog once again at a crazy ass location. This is day like 4 or 5, doing something ignorant every single day. We have Lynn, we have the boys. Outside, we have, look, there they are right there, walking out. We had a Trakiana, we had a AMG, we have everything outside, so go ahead, head inside, and today we have something special. We're actually going to be going off-roading, so that should be cool. And we only have 2 off-roading cars, which is kind of insane. Where do I park? Back there or right there? All right, look at that. We got a Cyber, Ferrari, Mercedes. We got a dog right there. Arr, arr, arr. Wait, does he bite?
Yeah.
What?
It's my guard dog, nigga. Get it.
Hey?
Lucky you don't kill your ass.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh gosh, here we go again, bro. Crazy ass clip farm. But yeah, let's pull up and.
Plus is still on.
I know. And with the key in the thing, bro. What's that rich nigga shit? Which game is he at? I think.
Let's strike the front.
Yeah, he's over there. Bruh.
Hold up.
Look at this, guys. Hold on. Wait a minute. Go around. Good boy. All right, he's going around.
Oh, nah.
What? Bro.
Like a little bit.
Guys, let me know which car you guys are taking. We got the Ferrari right here. The Cybertruck right here, driven by this thug. We got this weak ass Trackhawk, and then we have a Mercedes, and then of course we have your guys' favorite Hellcat over here. Yo, hold on, boys. We got a TRX on the way too. I don't know, how do you open this freaking gate? Open sesame. You will open. You will open sesame. There he is, boys. My twin. Look at that. This thing is crazy. Goddamn big body though. Shit. Look at that, boys. All right, boys. Guys, this is stop number 1. We had a Trakiana. We got the TRX. We got the Cybertruck. Damn. Hey, we got that black magic. Look. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that black magic. Look at that black magic. All pink, all pink. We got that. Hey, you got candy? Whoa. So we got 3 BMWs coming right now. So hold on, let me go in the street and guide them. There's police, 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 police. Hey, 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 police, police. Hey, hey, hey. Come. Oh my gosh, bro. Police is right there. Yes, sir. Boom. Boom. Uh-oh. We're good.
Idiot.
Oh.
What's up, sir?
What's up, brother?
Let's go, bro.
My brother?
On the dirt? You got a G80 on the dirt? Yeah.
Yo, what's good, bro? Alright.
Bro, what?
15 minutes, gang? Yeah. Yo, I do not know if they went the same way.
Yeah, I just don't think they took a traffic walk through this.
I doubt they did. Let me call him.
Wait, no way, this is actually on the maps as a road.
Bro, oh god.
Oh my gosh, look at all that trash. Ew, I didn't even see all that.
Yo, did y'all go through this dirt ass road?
What?
What? We're in the middle of the desert going through some dirt road.
Oh my god.
They said they're in the middle of the desert going through some dirt road.
FaceTime me right now, bro.
Hey, we're already off-roading, bro.
Oh wait, you're already off-roading?
Motherfucker, no, but it's like, I don't think we took the right way because the time went up, even though I'll make it work. We're still 3.6.
Yo.
Jump!
Yo.
Yes, sir!
Yo.
Motherfucker, where are we?
This shit get intergalactic.
Wait.
Alright, boys, as you can see, we're currently in the middle of but nowhere right now.
Vacuum me.
Vacuum me. Yo! Oh! Oh my god. Oh my gosh! Bro! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Dude! Wait, E-Man. Show behind, show behind. Look at all that dirt that kicked up.
Oh, fuck. It's so deep here, boys. We're low-key, like, might get stuck. Look. No, we're not gonna get stuck at all, but
Bro.
we're in the fucking shit.
Off-roading in a cyber...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
Bro.
my god. Oh my god. It's so deep, boys.
What?
Don't get stuck.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
Eamon.
We're good.
Bro,
We're
close
good.
the...
Close the window.
Ah!
Dude, we're in the...
Oh. Oh. We were lost in the middle of the desert.
What do we do?
Chat.
E-Man, tell me.
Let me stand on the car real quick.
Alright, we just found some road.
Found some road.
We go straight
Road. It's DIY road. It's not even like real road, bro. But look at that. We got a rainbow. Look at that. Wait, where do I go?
Some calm shit. Fuck. Bro, we were in the fucking...
Whoa.
I was in a Area 51.
Guys. What the?
Wow, we were at a federal Air Force
Bro.
base.
You guys went straight, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking throw up right now.
You didn't bring your Hellcat.
What's up?
Fuck no,
saw
I'm
my
not bringing the
BMW back there?
goddamn.
It's not.
You didn't see it?
It's just parked over there.
I told
That's-
you.
oh, that
That's
was-
what I said. Yeah, there's a G in it.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that was it.
Bro, I'm about to... You missed it. But I'm doing it good for you.
For us.
That was the most... Wait. God
I don't know about
damn.
Cybertrucks. Anyone can slide me. You put that bitch in off-road mode. You see handling balance? You see how I got 80% to the
bet.
rear? If I put that bitch on 100, it's 100%
You think I'll fly out if I'm
power.
like out the window?
Hell yeah.
You think I'll fly
No,
out?
don't
No,
open
you're
any
good.
of the windows,
No,
dumbass.
And don't hang out.
Oh, yeah, this is gonna be like completely brown on the inside if you do that.
I'm gonna go 100%
All right, boys. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. This shit's not gonna tip, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, it's gonna tip over.
I feel like it is, but it isn't. Just
Bro, this trip's not it's gonna tip this bitch. Bro,
Whoa.
he's tripping.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, he's tweaking it.
Yo!
He's tweaking this motherfucker.
Bro.
Yo, we flying throughout the...
Oh my god.
Yo!
Oh my god. What the fuck is that noise? What is this? Mommy.
Ah!
Yeah.
Bro.
Yo! He's moving!
Yo, he's sliding this bitch. Chief.
Oh my god!
Nigga. Yo.
Whoa.
Bitch, we outside in the fucking Cybertruck, nigga. Yo, why was he doing that though? He was doing that. He was doing that, bro. Oh my god.
The track looking. Bro.
I didn't even fucking see when they said go. I didn't either, look. See, you can't even see the track look anymore.
The track hook was ready, he had the launch and everything.
I'm not gonna lie, I was looking down at him.
Me too, I thought the Cybertruck was
You see this?
I thought the T-Rex don't take it.
the bumps.
Motherfucker, I'm heavy. Especially
But
on
it's T-Rex though.
37.
Big T-Rex. Oh my gosh. Hellcat Louise! Yeah. That's all lit, hold on.
I'ma drop $1 million on it.
Alright boys, as you can see, they just spawned in 2 more. Crazy ass night, boys. Look at that. We still got the tracking on the still chilling right there. Damn! Alright boys, as you can see, we just got back with the Cybertruck. Look how dirty this thing is. We put this motherfucker to work. That's how you drive a Cybertruck right there, boys. So right now we're finna go to In-N-Out and we're finna go grub, so I'll catch you guys once we get there. Damn, no mames, way fool. No mames. Chaca. Bro's parking in the handicap. Well. Alright boys, as you can see, we're currently bugging up right now. We got my animal fries right here.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, spread it on there. Come on. Stop. Stop. I'll catch up boys once you finish eating, man.
Let me try and play this little white boy, alright? Nico, don't talk to me right now.
Stop right here.
I'm stopping,
Or
sir.
your windows all windows down.
All windows down, all windows down. Yeah, we're just fucking crazy. Oh my gosh, guys.
How you doing?
License registration?
I don't know what's
Yeah.
That's going on.
Put your hands.
I don't got nothing.
Hands on the seat.
Okay.
I'll just put my seat.
Put your hands in front.
Got you, sir.
You have your driver's license with you?
Yeah, I got a photo.
Hey, I'm gonna check your weapons right now. Alright, you know the reason I pulled you over is because you were racing that scat pack back there.
Scat pack?
Yep. That, the track hall.
What?
Yep.
Sir, I just did a video of my boy off-road.
No bueno.
You guys doing? You getting some content or what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we were just we were doing some off-roading. We weren't even racing on the highway.
Okay.
We were just doing some off-roading stuff.
That's not what is being recorded. You
Yeah,
guys are racing that track rock, right?
I don't know what that, but we was just doing some off-roading.
All the way from the 10 freeway.
Where? I'm not from here. I'm from Delaware. This is my first time in Cali.
Oh, okay.
I'm just a cameraman.
Got it.
Yeah, because they had a helicopter, that's why. Helicopter on us. Alright, boys. He's going to jail, and Art is getting impounded. He is cooked, to say the least.
Yo, did you get my bag?
Well, here they are. We've been waiting right here for like the past 10 minutes, bro. Oh my gosh. Step on out, buddy. Let's hit that walk of shame. How do you feel?
They're gonna let him out like 2 hours.
Oh, okay. You good, G? How do you feel? That's it. All right, bet. What's the studio? What's up, brother?
Good, baby. How we doing?
What's up, brother?
Neil, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Frederick. All right, bet.
Appreciate you.
Give me the keys, boy.
Boy, they're in my car.
Sounds tough.
They're in my bag. They're in my bag.
It does. It does. Yeah, bro, having an aneurysm on the beat.
I need to know how to do the
I
monitor.
ain't trying to find my way
Like,
home.
I need to press a button to let
I
him hear me.
believe I
No?
can. I know
That's probably on
it's
here.
all right. I find peace while I.
So,
What the fuck? I need a talk back.
so I forgot to give you guys a little update. I'll explain when I get home. We almost got arrested, which you guys seen, and now we're at the studio.
I drop out the bag and I'll pick it up.
Yo, bro, we need to talk back. Interesting.
Oh, okay. I like that. Nigga.
Look at that, boys. He's out. We have 1 out of 2 drivers back. Hey, yeah, we need the other driver back ASAP, bro. So, hey, free you, bro, free you.
I go for him because I was
But he's
really,
free.
I went to jail too.
And we in the studio right now, boys. Look at that. Come on. Right over there, clicking up right now. So yeah, I'll catch up, boys, once we get the song produced.
You gon' see the clouds. Effing on my waist with booger tips that's ripping out his mouth. And patch inside my. Come on.
Who it is? Hey, we 2 for 2. Everybody's out.
Yes,
They put. I don't know about the other kid, but the other dude's here right now. You got your homies in the car with you?
Yeah, they're parked
Oh,
down.
over there. Okay.
Yeah, or can I park here actually?
Just park on the wall.
Yeah, just park on the wall then. Alright, bet.
Remember that. We got the whole city outside. Come on. Casually pulls up in a 1200 horsepower BMW to the studio. Like what? What's up, brother? We got arrested. Now we at the studio now. First day out. First day out. What's up, brother? Day 2. Day 2. Day 2. Day 2 unemployed. What's up, brother? What's up, bro? Get out of the car, put your hands up, take your clothes off.
Welcome to 7-Eleven.
Look at that.
This accent.
I got the dress
And
strip
I
on.
just got you fucking demonetized.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Hey, you
just
finna
kidding.
hop in the studio and rap?
What?
You finna hop in the studio and rap? You finna spit some bars?
Nah, I can't rap.
Yeah, I'm the same way. I can't
I
do
suck.
They said seatbelt behind that wheel was kind of hard to steer. He almost hit a deer.